Justin Deseck here with Sutton Select Realty, coming to you today from the heart of Old South, featuring our latest listing at 215 Cathcart Street. This is a duplex featuring a 2-bedroom at the front and a 1-bedroom at the back. Fantastic renovations, high ceilings, excellent fixtures, really nice floor plans. Let's go check it out. What's great about these multifamily properties is that you can own or occupy with some income helping from one of the units, or you can have it as a straight income property. We're in the 2-bedroom here up front. You can see loads of counter space, nice high ceilings, and an open concept here to enjoy your entertaining and prep work while you're coming home and working in the kitchen. So in the bathroom here, you have your main floor laundry. You don't have to go downstairs to use the laundry. You have a nice pedestal sink, nice tile in the shower, lovely pot lights, and again, really high ceilings in the bathroom. Amazing. You have to come and see this property to really appreciate all the charming little features that you have here. There's lots of natural light that's going to come into this property. Again, high ceilings, even in the bedrooms, closet space, hardwood floors. Make sure you pop by and have a look. So now we're at the back unit, which is also where the parking is. Now there are 4 parking spots at the back of this property. Let's go check out what this 1-bedroom unit has to offer. So this is actually my favorite of the 2 units for a good reason. You'll love the use of space here. There's an amazing vaulted ceiling, exposed brick, and charming features like this wooden door right here. Loads of counter space, tons of natural light. I'd love coming home here, wouldn't you? So when you come back down the hallway here, you're going to find your stackable washer and dryer here, an awesome 3-piece with tiled shower, and then a spacious bedroom with closet space. So another great feature about this property is that each unit has its own private outdoor space. Out back here, you have your flagstone patio with fire pit. Out front, you've got a covered porch with loads of privacy. So a really great neighborhood, walking distance to the village, close to bus routes, tons of parking, schools, shopping, you name it, is all just around the corner from here. If I can help you get through it, don't hesitate to reach out. Justin Deseck with Sutton Group Select Realty. We'll see you next time.